Okay, now we are missing actually in our live demo we have talent type and age and gender, right? Just we missed the talent types. Now I will go to member directories. Just select the roles for search option. This is the search option. Just select the roles drop down. Just move it to the bottom or just top. Okay, now just save changes and just refresh it. Then you will see talent types, actors, right? Then models. Okay, so in this way you can create as per your needs. Okay, now members, same members also same because the same ID is there. Okay, instead of members in our live demo we have browse talents, models and actors independent. When you click models, the model related directory, this is the independent directory, individual directory. Okay, you can call it individual directory. So now I will show you how to create individual directories. So before that we need to create forms also, different forms, because model and actors and photographers or musicians, any type. Just I will show you two. The remaining also same process. Now I will duplicate the main profile. This is the profile form, this is the login, this is the registration. Oh, sorry. Now I am going to show you the different registration. Yeah, we need to create different registration forms and different profile forms. Now, sorry, this is not a registration form, this is the profile form. Sorry, yeah, profile form. This is a different profile form. Okay, this is the this is for, now I am assigning this for basic administrator, contributor and subscriber, because this is the basic form, basic fields, basic profile fields assigned to few the default user roles. The remaining is actually they are 100%. I will make it 100%. Now cover photo no requirement. Now I added 400. That's why it's displayed here. Now it's okay. Now everything is completed, right? Now I will create one more. No, this is assigned for default user roles. Now I will create custom profile for models. Models. Now in the model form, just two forms. Now checkbox, model types. Now I would like to create model type. If here text, okay, no problem. Model type means catwalk models, fitness models. Okay, any type, whatever you want, you can write it. Okay. Then model types. Okay, number of selections, 2, anything. Just add that. Then next one is eye color. Models have a lot of meta fields. Eye color. Okay, eye color, black, blue, green, okay, yellow, like that. Just eye color. Demo user, I am showing only two fields. The remaining you can manage yourself, because just the same way you can create height, number. Just drop down set box, multi-select box, readable, and there are a lot of fields. Okay, just to play around all the fields. Now I am assigning this page to models. The remaining all are same because 100%, 100%, and 400, right? Yeah, once you create, just copy this short code, go to pages, in the profile form. Okay, there is a default profile form. Beside that, just paste that. Save changes. Now I will go to member directory. Okay, now again I will create another one. Next, okay, models duplicate. I'm just duplicating models and actors. So just remove this actor. Now we can check box actor skills. Actor skills. Actor skills. Dancing, singing, acting anytime. Okay, based on your needs. Actor skills. Number of 2 selections limited. I put 2. Then another one is okay, model height or some anything. Suppose number. If you want experience, I will go to experience, just to 1 year to maximum 40 years. Okay, right. Now I will assign this to actors. Just update it. Just copy again, same process. Just copy the short code and go to pages, user profile. These, why I am using this different user profile means actually models need few different metafields and actor need different metafields. Musician needs different metafields. So that you need to create different profile for different users. Now okay, now I will okay, now profile pages are completed. Now just directory fields, models. Once you click the models, then only model should be displayed. Okay, assign the sidebar. Okay, the remaining all are tagline below. I need to display eye color model because model. Then if you have country, otherwise eye color or model type. What are the model type? Okay, you can drag this one and also make it. If you want to age, then make it birth date here. And okay, the remaining are same. Just this is the common. Yeah, this is the copy members, a single member. They're not found. Try. Sorry. Try other filters. Right. Just I am doing short text there. You can add your one. Okay. Just copy again. Same thing. Copy this page and go to add new models page. This is the model page. Model making no page title. I don't want. Just sorry, blog page, not blog page. Full width page. Just save the image, right? Same way. Then again I will create actors. Okay. Right. actors. Just select only actors. If you don't want it, just uncheck this one, list type. Same, show extra user information, just age, birth date, age, okay, and actor skill, right, already there. Then again, after the actor skill, okay, country. If you have country, then you can select the country. Country why not added there? Yes, we forgot that one. Okay, can add there. Okay, now right, acting skills, okay, and age, based on age you can set, and gender, based on gender also you can search. Okay, right, say this is the same. Just create, just copy this one and go to pages, add new, actors, just paste the short code, none page title, full width page, publish. Okay, now I am making it quick because 15 minutes only limit for my video time. Now I am going to menus and adding these actors and models into menu manager. Okay, in our example, browse talent is there in live demo, so I will custom link, just make hash browse talents, right, browse talents and pages, models, and where are actors? Sorry, I have gone somewhere other. Browse talents, just add that. Then go to models, right, just save changes. Now I will refresh the home page, another one. Yeah, browse talents, you see the browse talent. Now models, just I will click models, you see only model related field are displayed here, just models, yeah, actors, models, actors, yeah, actors, this is the model, this is the actors. Same way, you can create like voice over artist, photographer. Same way, just what you have to do is, first you need to create forms. Okay, forms, just create different forms for photographers, voice over artist, anything, whatever you want. Once you create that, copy that profile forms, this okay, copy this profile short code into user profile page, then again come to member directory. The member directory, just add new and name it voice over artist or photographers, and select just what are the, suppose in case photographers, just only select a photographer and copy that short code into, copy the short code and create new page, just create new page as a musician or photographer something, just okay, add short code there. Same way how I created these two. I hope you understand this. If you have any question, please ask in my email ID.